freaking get it, boys.
Alright. We're out here, a little southeast of Bend. About to ride a cool little trail that I've done only once before. But it's a power line road out into a lava field. We're gonna ride through a lava field today. I just did the airbox mod and rejetted my carburetor, and I'm really noticing the power difference. It is crazy how different it is. It's dusty.
Yeah, it's definitely dusty.
We're looking for some single track now. Do you see some?
Yeah.
I'm not finding what he's seeing. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's some good dirt. Yeah, and there's no maps of this stuff either. You just gotta get out and find it. That's the cool thing about it. It's kind of just word of mouth. Whoa. Couldn't even begin to explain where half this stuff is. It just is out here, and you'll be riding on a service road, and then you'll just come across what was clearly where someone has been before, and then you just find all these trails that link up. Whew. Whoa, dude. Whew. Yeah, the dirt is just sort of all over the place. You got some mud, some hard pack, and then just this dust. It's so soft. Kind of hanging back here, let the dust settle. Alright, I can see enough now. Oh man, this bike is just like a brand new bike with this rejet in the open air box. It is so much fun. Yeah, another thing about these Central Oregon trails and service roads is that they do end up becoming very dusty, and because of that your air filter just gets ruined. And I myself am guilty of not being on top of cleaning that thing, so much so in fact that it was so caked yesterday when I did this rejet that I ended up just buying a new one. Alright, we're making it to the lava field here. So this is just a service road to the power lines, but they built this road right through this amazing looking lava flow field. You know, there's ancient volcanoes around here, and this is all flow from that has dried up long ago, but lots of views. Through the lava field. Not the greatest dirt. This is all just crunched up red lava rock, it looks like, to make a road for service trucks to get through here to work on these power lines, but it is really cool looking riding through here. These walls of old lava formations on each side. Yeah, right? Like single trees that are just sticking out here and there. Wow. Yeah, like the mountain's right behind you.
It's crazy. I've never gone down very far.
There's another hill on the other side too. You can get up for fun.
How far did you go down?
I went all the way. I kept riding after. Look at all these trees popping out of here. This is so cool looking. Oh, unexpected downhill. Oh. Wow. So this is the end of the lava field. We just came through all this, but this is where the flow must have stopped. We're back on dirt. Oh, we're back in the dust. I'm gonna trail off a little bit, let this settle. Woo. What are we looking to do?
Let's check a map and then see if there's like a view we can get to the top.
Our navigation system usually is our phones, because the GPS works nicely, and then I've got a nice battery case on my phone that allows me to really just go off one charge and keep my display on the whole time. But so we use Avenza Maps as the app. It's a really good map app. You can download really any map and import any map. We found a bunch of free 7.5 minute maps of the forest system here in Central Oregon.
Oh, I just don't know where we're going.
One more.
Here, you want to lead?
Sure. Oh, and it's cracking. Damn. Oh, here's the butte we're approaching. Sick. Here we go. Oh yeah, gaining some elevation, getting some views. Oh, this is one side you don't want to fall off. Oh wow. Hell yeah, dude.
I think that's one of my favorite parts about riding in Central Oregon is like you're cruising through the woods and then you get to a butte and you're just...
Yeah, man. This was not even on my radar. I'm gonna go look around. Try and see Polina Peak here. Ah, look at that.
Not used to going up hills without a motor.
Those are beautiful bikes. What do you think, dude?
Gorgeous.
All right. Home we go now for the sunset. That's a steep butte. All right, guys, well, we're headed home. Thanks for watching. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff like this. Just exploring and finding new places and riding old places. I just want to share them with you, so subscribe if you want to see more. If you have any suggestions, let us know. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.